So normally, people are usually goal-oriented. Example, mga parents natin, ang gusto nila, bigger paycheck. Anak, lipat ka dun sa isang trabaho kasi goal yan, goal ng parents o ng anak. Better lifestyle, lilipat ako sa ibang bansa para mas maganda ang benefits ng medical, mas maganda yung trabaho, mas maganda yung mga education, libre. Pwedeng, like yan, maraming vloggers na bata. Pwede ka na kayon daw kumita sa YouTube, bla bla
Gusto
bla.
nila, ganun na lang. I'll just travel, work from home.
Maraming yan na mag-asawa, nagtatrabaho sa bahay lang, no? They're earning money. Tapos iba naman gusto mag-travel kasi ngayon, because of social media, lagi mo nakikita yung mga kaibigan mo kung nasaan saan, no? So, ang gusto ng mga ibang tao, ayoko magtrabaho sa isang place, sa isang lugar. Gusto ko nagta-travel ako. I like to travel around the world.
That's the goal.
Tapos, Pinoy dream is to build my own house. So, lahat gagawin ko para magkasarili akong bahay, lupa, balang araw para sa parents ko.
Pero goal pa rin yon.
So, examples ngayon para makita natin ano ba yung goal tsaka ano yung difference niya dun sa purpose. Okay, sige. Number 1 is...
Like ako personally, ang goal ko for so many years was medicine. Gusto kong maging doktor. Tapos hindi na talaga ako nag-isip. And then, for some reason, nung nagka-money problems ako toward the end of med school, parang I had to do some modeling jobs. And then, from modeling, nakita ko ni Mr. M, tapos pina-audition ako. And then, they made me go through a acting workshop. Ito I'm an okay medical student. Pero for some reason, dun sa acting workshop, hindi ako yung top student.
Natural.
But I was one of the top. Hindi nangyayari yun sa med school sa akin. Nangyayari lang yun kung talagang nag-work ako ng sobra. Hindi natural for me to be one of the top students in class. I'm sure mga nasa school dyan, there are just some people na gifted students sila in school. Sila yung valedictorian, tapos parang hindi naman sila masyado nag-aaral. Pero nagiget nila agad. Hindi ako ganon. Pero for some reason, in acting, kinokomend ako ng teacher ko. So ako parang, Hindi yun nangyayari sa akin. And then from there, dun nga, lumalabas yung gift ko. Although yung dad ko, yung parents ko, they still believe na medicine is the safer choice. And tama naman, it is the safer choice. Pero, thankful din ako na pinayagan nila ako pumunta sa road na umarte, pumasok sa showbiz. Kahit hindi ganun ka-safe. May mga magbabash, may mga magkikriticize. Pero it's nice kasi feeling ko mas doon ako nag-bloom. I learned more about people and life in my years sa showbiz kaysa sa school in medicine. Akala ko acting lang. I thought it stopped there. Hindi rin pala. Meron palang higher purpose pa than that. And it happened nung lumabas tong Relationship Matters. Parang may heart ako na gusto kong maramdaman ng mga tao na they're not alone in their problems. Kasi ako, I also went through some hardship, may mga dark times din ako, and I felt so alone that time. So I want people who are also going through fights and pangit na yung nangyayari sa kanila. I don't want them to feel alone. And then I also want to help them form an attitude na you can get out of it. You can learn from the bad stuff. One of the reasons why nabuo tong Relationship Matters. So that's our purpose.
Yan ang purpose na solidify sa asawa ko beyond medicine and beyond acting. Meron na siya ngayong purpose. Why? Bakit siya nagigising araw-araw?